Hi everyone, we're going to take a brief look at your EPSON projector. So you can see we have it hooked up with an HDMI and a USB, and you can see that it is projecting. A couple things to point out. One, sometimes people may have the PC screen only come up, and it's going to show a blue screen. So if that ever does happen, what you can do is simply go ahead into F8 and make sure that it is duplicated, and then you'll see it come up. So that is a possibility. One of the other possibilities is your HDMI cord isn't plugged in far enough. Just make sure that that's in. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you a few things using your pen. So right now, as you can see, if we come down in here, you can see there's annotation mode, and if we turn it back on, there's PC operation mode, which means you're going to use the pen just like you would if you had, let's just say, a mouse. So we could go ahead in, we could select in here, and then you could see here's Typing Club. So of course you could accept and so on. But a few things to show you. Let's just say we wanted to go ahead and annotate. So how can we do that? Down in here in the bottom right, we're going to go into annotation mode. Then you can see your options. We're going to select red, and then there are other options here you can take a look at. But what we're going to do is we're going to keep it as a squiggly, and we're just going to go ahead and circle. So you can see you can circle there, you can draw over here, whatever it is you would like. If you want to undo that last, you could go ahead and undo the last little bit that you drew and continue till you remove it. You can also go ahead and bring it back as well. And of course you could remove all annotations and clear the screen. Okay, so that's a nice addition. Thing is, sometimes just remember to put it back onto PC operation mode. So let's show you what it looks like if a video is playing.